Now that you've completed the setup and entered your company details, users, locations, and assets, you're ready to start using Custodian. Before you dive in, let's take a few minutes to understand the workflow. First, let's look at the reactive maintenance process, starting with the Submit Issue button. This allows any Custodian user to quickly and easily report a problem any time of day or night from their computer, tablet, or smartphone. First, the system creates a database entry with a unique issue ID number. The date, time, and user are also logged. The user enters the issue details, including the area, asset, description, severity of the problem, and any photos of the issue. These details are immediately emailed to the supervisor for the site where the issue occurred. Custodian Pro users can choose to receive SMS text notifications as well as email. Just in case the supervisor misses these messages, they will also see a notification the next time they log into their Custodian dashboard. The site supervisor then reviews the issue, creates a work order, and assigns it to a user. The assigned user or contractor will receive an email link so they can log in and view the work order. If the repair work needs to be outsourced to a third-party contractor, the supervisor can create a tech account for them. They can then update the progress of the repairs from their mobile device while on site. Then, once the repairs are completed and verified, the supervisor marks the work order and the issue as closed.